mas malamig na naman ngayon. Ewan ko, pero parang ayan na nga siya. Papalapit na si Madam Elsa. Uy, halika dito. Pagpupo ka na. Malilate ako dito. Napasok tayo ngayon Tuesday, tas bukas wala ulit akong pasok. Kakatapos lang ng holiday kahapon.
A few moments later.
Guys, naka-hoodie na tayo. Kasi medyo malamig na. 5 na dito eh. Plus 5 na yung temperature niya sa umaga. Kahapon is 15 lang. Kaya pa. Pero ngayon medyo, alam mo na. Ang dami nang naka-hoodie sa labas ng umaga. Habang naglalakad sila. So, ayan na, nagbabadya na. So, painitin ko muna tong si Olaf.
One eternity later.
And guys, umulan siya. Ewan ko kung kanina ba or kagabi pa yan. Pero yan. Doon naman yung ating mga vegetables.
Look at swimming pool. Look at our swimming pool, guys.
Ay, ay.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you like it.
Mommy, did you saw on the correct section on one of our videos that
Ano kaya to nagmancha sa yung ano, sabon?
on today's
Sabon siguro, no?
on today's on mommy. Have you seen someone that comment that they're from US?
You say hi to the US.
Hi US.
From Arizona, California.
Hi, US.
Hi,
What are
US.
the other ones? Is that the other?
Vancouver.
Vancouver Island.
Vancouver, Canada.
I thought it was Vancouver Island, Canada.
What will you say to them? Thank you so much.
Thank you for so much for watching. I wanted to keep watching our videos.
Ay, ayan no, meron na naman no. Laging nakapark.
A few moments later.
So guys, andito ulit kami sa park.
Like a park.
Ito pala yung Fable Drive, Daddy.
That's the favorite one.
Ayan, nandito kami sa, where are we?
Park. Like a park.
Good job. Good pa yan, no? Park, naka-skirt.
Skirt? I don't think stop it!
Okay.
No!
Oh, Ella wants to try. Hawakan mo muna yan, nahihilo yan.
Be careful.
Oh, oh.
Are you okay na?
Dizzy?
Dizzy ka. Parang hindi naman na dizzy.
Oh, si Ella naman daw. Challenge accepted. 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, naka-shorts pala, Dad.
Okay.
It's fun?
Ay, may short siya sa ato.
Oh, may shorts. More, more! Oh, more, more!
Ay, nakapark doon.
Saan?
Parang.
Ay, pwede natin try ikutan to. Na?
Okay.
Nahihilo na. Ha?
One more?
Grabe guys. Oh. Dami talaga dito. Yan na yung side ng papuntang Costco. So, dami oh. Daming ginagawa dito. Yung iba nakatira na sila matagal na, no? Paiba-iba. Ayan, may sold na rin. Sold. For sale to. For sale daw to.
Ah,
Ayan.
dream.
Dream home.
nag-ano. Ito rin, no? Dream din. Yun din sa kabila, oh.
Dream. May palabas na yata dito Darin eh.
Ah,
Papuntang ano, di ba? Bakit di tayo doon dadaan?
One eternity later.
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa park. Hi, Kaden!
I want to go home now.
Oy, sus!
Please, I
takot
want
din
to
pala
go
to.
home.
Oh, nakakatakot? Oh,
Baka may bumigay.
talagang bibigay sa'yo yan. Sa bata lang dapat yan. Uy, Daryl. Sisirain mo naman. Tingnan nyo guys. I-bash nyo nga. Bash, bash, bash.
Boss. Ayaw ni Ele.
Daddy, I want to go home.
Ano siya,
Let's-
hindi siya stable.
Kami lang ang tao sa bridge. Gusto niya naman noon, di lang ulit na sanay. Ella, smile!
I want to go home. Can
Ito
you go
naman
home
si
now?
Mr. Go Home. To the Philippines?
No, go home so I can watch iPad. Go home in Canada. Go to the home in Canada. Go to home.
What's your address? Oh, if you can say your address, you can go home na.
It's Green Falls Drive.
Oh, what's the number?
6 7 6 7
7. 6 7.
6 7. I want to go home now.
Someday you will watch again this video.
What do
Right?
you mean?
Okay, what's your promise to mommy now? Say a promise. That
The promise
are you
that
going to get married someday?
no, I will be single forever.
That's a promise.
Yeah, I'll be single
Okay,
forever.
say promise.
I,
Kaden Australias,
Katie Sayas,
will be single
will be single forever.
just to take care
Just to take care
of
of my mom
and
my dad, my sister, my dog Tito.
okay, that's a promise so every ka-dreamers just watch your promise.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
The date for today is August 5th,
5th,
2026. Guys, narinig nyo po yun ha? Oh, how about Ella?
I,
Janela Australias,
Janelle Stainless,
promise
promise,
to take care.
Tito Lito, my dog.
Oh, si Tito Wido lang. How about mommy and daddy?
And
And
me.
mommy and daddy.
And kuya? Ay, no!
I'm a baby. But Kaden don't play with me. But when I tried to catch Kaden, I can't catch Kaden so far. So not Kaden.
Why you want to become single for life?
It's because if I take care of you, you will live longer. I think if I take care of you more than being married, then that means I will
You
take
can
care.
still take care of us if you're going to get married.
But I still want to take care of you even more so I can live longer. And live.
Even if you have your own family, you're gonna take care of mommy and daddy, right?
I know.
But why are you choosing to become single only?
It's because if I get married, then if I have married, then the girls that chose me will take me far away and live in a house far away that I cannot see you ever again. So that's why I don't want to be married. So that won't happen. So that because one of the
Narinig mo, Dar?
because I don't want to have some kids because it's so hard to take care of them. So that's why. That's the second reason.
Okay. You say, bye, ka-dreamers, we're going home.
Bye, Katrina. We're
Katrina.
going house to
Bye.
get iPad.
One eternity later.
Tito. Expert na siya, guys. Remember nung first day pa namin, nakikipaghilaan pa ako dito. And okay na siya. So, meet Tito, our baby blue eye. Guys, pabalik-balik lang kami dito. Para ano. Ayoko na pumunta dun sa may mga ducks. Tagal niyang tumae Mga 15 minutes na kami dito, guys. Usually, ito, nakaka-poops na. Hindi rin siya nag-poops kanina nung nilakad ni Daryl. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa dog park. Mini dog park ng apartment. Tito! So, yan. Yun lang yung things. Lapit lang natin. Habang hindi pa siya tumatay. So, yun. Ganyan muna. Yung iyo to ngayon, Tito, inarkel ako. Although 9 to 10 p.m. naman to, so pwede. 8:30 pa lang. So madami ka pang time, Tito. Take your time. Ba nga yung buntot? Hindi ka happy dito? Hindi ka happy? Wala na kababa yung buntot. Nakaabot na kami dito sa may mga ducks. Wala pa din. Tito, ano na?